Most of you don't know this thing you are seeing in this picture here. This is called Chandelier light, and this thing was built by this young man you are seeing behind this picture. No be smart, you know, and this boy no dey China. I go think say na Igbo pikin, no, na be that. This is our bad boy. In name na Michael, na bad boy. Na do this thing. Hello, my wonderful people. Mo go find out how this thing take happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. No be smart, you know. Today the matter we will carry come here. Now this our brother will beat this Chandelier light. The first day that I see this thing, I'm so happy and I so much love what this guy is doing, and this is what I want to be seeing in our society. I want the IgboLand to be a greater than, like, more than China self, as we are speaking. That way being for my own heart to this our brother here build this Chandelier light from scratch, and it look more beautiful, more than original. Could you imagine? It's more than the one that China people even do. Now our brother now do this guy from Aba now do this Chandelier light. But for this video, get wetin he talk for this video wey shock me, wey make me come dey do this video again. Remember say I do this video yesterday, I post him yesterday, and I am doing this video again because get wetin he talk for this video. But I want us to watch the video from beginning to end before I go come back, continue. Yeah, my people, watch the video together with me.
You see, this week you have been able to do what?
Get about 8 Chandelier lights.
8. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Plus this one.
This one, the one inside. Come, make I see that one with the inside. Make I see him. Come. Wow. But I'm well done, no. I agree to you now. Well done. Wow. This one is what? Come with remote.
But can't wear remote.
Can't wear remote. Ordinary bulb.
Yeah.
Wow. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If I count this
17 in 1.
17 in 1. Who is this person at 17? And why allow me I can't count them now? And I want to the work. Wow. Wow. So this one now, if person order them now, you go free deliver.
Why? I roll me. Mother even need demand of this particular one like 5, 6 or 7. Bidori and roll.
You see,
mother demand like 6, 7 or 8. Or any amount you demand or meet. We don't know or one and what is skeleton forward.
Now, mother need like 20.
I need like 20 or 30 or 40. But no time, I ship it 2 times.
So no, what's the time frame like?
Like you need this one like 20 pieces or 30 pieces. I will just give myself 4 weeks.
4 weeks, that's just 1 month.
Just to bring it out. On your butcher, carry other ones.
Okay, this one they carry
other ones.
Okay, these ones are like special ones.
Okay, all multiple bulbs joined together. So my every wire them with all those things. Yeah, make mistake because he made mistake or shop or spark or something like that. Yeah, GP wire now correct here one after the other one to get honey the imitation.
Okay, but so you have other ones now.
Other ones they run to bulb there.
So that means if it's making order like let's say 20 join together with this one. Okay, but this okay.
Every check again on 80 chiropter within a week. Then again check is always in a more than like I roll like 2 weeks. And again when I get what they were like 16.
2 weeks. Okay, in 2 weeks time. 16. Wow. But all these people they call, nobody don't give you headache
or maybe apart from one call and receive one certain time. Well, mom, the guy will just phone me or so then get one element like that. So the guy, warm na how they almost ESM. So now mother with a picture can have a boom do to him name. That's just everybody is himself enough.
I don't understand. That's not wait. I don't understand. Beg, calm down. Kiaram kosi. I'm what I mean. Come on, that. Now I'm not going to give phone. Now we're getting.
Now one day ESM.
Umoma, they add ESM on it.
They add ESM on it. Now how do Umoma ESM? So my John na okay, I know me okay. When you made it, sim na mother always the picture. Can how about boom? Due to now we end the name of na ham naga viral na Facebook. So can how about boom? So na I teach a lot for my guy to be an to na hona come do and manage the money to so now I mean how the run all way by now how to go. So now again anti come money go piano land. Okucha see okay. Now some na here was the problem now. Maybe I made it in. Na anyị mere ya na ngazi ya oke nye ya ga eji gbara fuel onye ha ego a eji zụrụ mgbe ego so something like that so the make us talk about wahala ya ga emere ya ndecha ha let am see okay no problem ke kwara ebe nọ ọ sị na ha nọ n'ime ọhịa okay ọ nọ n'ime ọhịa na na-asa nsị okay so when ga drop gị number then onye ga-akpọzi gị number iji kpọm ka m sendere mmadụ onye mkpọzie gị kọwara ihe kọwa m ugbu a then ọ kpọzie m mmazire eme ya. So immediately put that in or off or phone. Come watch is about your phone since then to now line I had is on. The line is on.
Hey, see, I don't understand you. If true say person carry in picture go this place. What you now want achieve? No, una want make the dream, or una want make the gift, or una no want make the world see the good things so they inside our own city. No. Nah, studio will toast you drill. Nah, tell me you can run out. If you don't get platform, call me. I go come. Give me invitation. My biggest man to you, I go come. Understand? If you feel work anything handwork or gift, call me. I go find you come. Also, no, that you know. Understand? This kind of story no sweet now. How can that guy work say to Hagaro? Is it now?
Oh, the one called. Oh no, when you work at the phone when I call or get away to find me my credit. I will be one now for one.